Don't really love you anymore. Our cave's collapsing. I don't wanna be here anymore. Guys, what's better ba? Ito option 1, option 2, option 3. What's better ba? 1, 2, 3. Feel ko 2 or 3 ba? Sa'yo? Kayo? Wala, pero walang nagko-comment. Hi guys, hello. Are you guys here? Are you guys here? Hello. Okay. 1, 2, or 3? Ano muna? Hi everyone. Pabate. Why? Is it your birthday ba? Hello. Enzo, Marion, Nicole, Chan, Bin, Cass. What's up? Tuna lang kayo. Kumusta kayo? Lapit na birthday ko. Happy birthday, Red. Guys, I'm editing right now pero gusto ko lang mag-live. Should I love you anymore? You've become my ceiling. Happy Friday. Guys, I have a pimple dito. Levi, what's up? Pia, hi guys. I miss you too. Guys, ba't wala kayo sa live ko kanina? Miss niyo ako pero wala kayo sa live ko. Kahit may pimple. Kahit kanina lang kita napanood na miss na ka na. I miss you guys. Awake. Yeah guys, why are you making puyat? Kakauwi lang, sorry. Saan ka galing? Uno. Guys, mag-aaral na kayo. Kuya, akin lang iba mo damit. Hey, I love you. Guys, by the way, kung gusto niyo, you know, if you wanna buy my damit, actually, we have an event. February 1 to 2, magbebenta kami ng mga pre-love namin. Kasama ko mga friends ko. Punta kayo. Popost ko yung details mamaya sa IG. May ginawa lang kanina. Ano ginawa mo? Chan. Ba't ngayon ka lang? Ba't gising ka pa, Wakibo? Actually, kakatapos ko lang mag-edit. Actually, hindi pa ako tapos. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng isang video and kailangan ko pa mag-edit ng isa pa. Higal showering. Paano mo nalaman? Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. Maano ulam? Should I really love you anymore? Dad, bakit may pasok mamayang umaga? Kailan yan, at least magkasama tayo. Diba? Nag-memorize lang po para sa TLE. You know kung ano minamemorize ko ngayon? Ito wait lang. Mag-perform ako para sa inyo. Ready? Wait. Nung dinner, wait, tayo na hindi ko matansya yung tone. Hi, Spring Fine. Hello, hi, Laika. Quick live lang to, guys. I just want to say goodnight. Nung dinner, ano nangyari? May inaamoy ka kay Papi. Puta, nalaglag yung biscuit. Tama? Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant, diba? So yung pagka-squatter natin, iwan natin sa bahay. Panalaglag, andun sila Miss Venus, sila Doc Yapi. Imbis na, ay sorry. Ano naging reaction mo? Putang ina nito, nagbibigay lang eh. Ganyan pa eh. King ina naman. Nasa restaurant ka naman, nasa social. Kaya alam mo ko nagaling na, puta naman eh. Ganyan ako sa bisita. Never. Ang tawag doon, pakikisama. Favorite ko yan. I love Tony Fowler. Music tayo. Guys, paantok live lang to. Para nagpapaantok lang ako. Sana kayo din. Medyo red na yung eyes ko eh. Okay, yung music, yung BGM natin, dapat medyo yung chill-chill lang. Para may sipon ka palagi, kuya. Actually, I have sipon talaga lately. Grabe yung sipon ko. Minsan di ako makahinga ng maayos eh. Really love you. Your hair looks better, thank you. Actually, I feel mas pogi lately. Medyo pumayat yung face ko. Nalinis ko yung eyebrows. Okay yung gupit ko. Super sexy hero pa rin hanggang ngayon. Actually, ang lala ng ubo niya. Wala na akong ubo. Sipon na lang. And may konting fever-ish. Pero other than that, okay na ako. Si Gel, medyo okay na din. Si hero na lang. Salanase ba yan? Tanggal yan. And one dito sipon. Salanase, ano ba yan? Like, pill ba yan? Or yung tinutusok? Matcha, hello. Are you okay? I'm okay, yeah. I'm happy. Ikaw, Sola, so are you? You look so good right now. Thank you. I love you. Wala ikaw nagpuli sa dinagyang? No, I didn't go home, guys. Kasi I have class. Pero super nainggit talaga ako sa lahat ng nagpo-post ng dinagyang. Sinulog din. Dapat magsisinulog kami actually, guys, sa mga friends ko. Pero hindi kami natuloy. Kasi nga, wala. Feel ko super last minute din and di cancel already. But yeah, guys, lahat kami sick dito. Salamat, Kenneth. I miss you. Kamusta? Maria, Maricar, guys. I can't wait to see you sa live selling ko February 1. Tsaka yung ano ko. Yung Good Gang event, yung Good Gang thrift event. Punta po kayo dun. Nandun kami nila. Hero, Gel, Bella, Ellie. Hi, Ellie! How are you? Saan yung laging galit? Nagsha-shower po. Nasa shower. Hi, Ray. Laika, Lycia, shout out. How do you say your name ba? Di na ako kasali sa sinulog. Sabay ba sila nag-shower? No comment. Pero they're saving water. I'm so used sa ngongo voice mo. What's ngongo? What's my ngongo voice ba? Save water, shower together, diba? Kamusta birthday ni Roscoe? Guys, ang saya. Gabi, nalasing talaga ako. A day in the life of a lasing college student in DLSU. Grabe. Okay, magpa-music tayo. Parang tahimik. I love you, Mariah. I love you more. Hi, Justine. My go-to bar, actually guys, di na ako umiinom that much. Totoo lang, dati we would drink multiple times a week, like Wednesday, Saturday, Friday. Lumalabas talaga kami ng mga friends ko. Pero ngayon, we go out every Thursday na lang sa mansion. Pero hindi naman kami umiinom masyado dun eh. Trivia night yan, music trivia. So may pag-games sila. Hindi naman siya totoong club. Malakas ba yung music? By Wacky Boo, good night. Dalaw ka na lang sa dreams ng cousin ko para masaya siya. What if dadalaw ko sa dream mo, Chan? Ba't sa pinsan mo pa? I know it's random, but your Adam's apple looks perfect. Can you touch it? Really? Totoo ba? I never noticed my Adam's apple before. Tubbs, hello. I'm late. No, Pauline, kaka-live ko lang. Super quick live lang to. You dreamt of me, guys? Have you ever dreamed of me before? Well, how am I like in your dream ba? Am I makulit in your dream? Look at nightmare yan. Crush ko po niya. Ako, di mo ako crush? Ba yan? Clingy. True. How to be pogi like you? Comes from the inside. Pero totoo. Guys, if you know how I look like dati, feel ko, nakita yung mga ibang tao dito yung yung dating itsura ko. So, guys, sa totoo lang, if you saw me before, there's hope for everyone. Ang pangit ko dati, like my skin was like 10 shades darker, dami kong pimples, yung hair ko blonde, bro. Ang pangit talaga. Pero I feel like skincare lang kayo and hindi naman sa looks yan eh. It's about the energy you give people. You know? Yun lang yung advice ko. And mag-gym ka palagi. So pag dark pangit, you know what, Muzan? Fuck you. Hi, Waki, I miss you. I miss you, Haruko. I miss you too. Mapapansin ba ako ng crush ko? Depends. Should we ask the tarot? Guys, namiss ko na mag-tarot reading. Actually, I gave Gel and Hero a tarot reading. Namiss ko siya. Namiss ko gawin. Diba dati guys, if you guys were there, OG days, you'll know na yun yung content ko, nagka-tarot reading. Sabi ni Kenneth, I might go to Gracie Abrams, Japan in April. Fuck. Alam mo, plano talaga namin mag-Singapore. Gusto kong pumunta. Kasama ba si Cholo? Di ako sure. Tanungin ko. Good luck, Kiza, for your exam tomorrow. I love you. Pag pinansin mo ako, Waki, mag-sleep na ako kasi may class pa bukas. Puliin, tulog na. Go to bed na. Well, I love you, Waki. I love you more, Haruko. Drawing yung ano ba. Diba si Cholo, totoo. Like, umaasa talaga kay Cholo. Kaya guys, Juju, I miss you. Kaya guys, you know what? I'm not gonna say na if pupunta si Cholo dito, ganyan. Kasi sasabihin niya actually na punta ako, and then day ng event, wala. Nagdinagin ka. No, I didn't go home for the nagyam. I had class. Oh! Hi, bro. Hi, Shobek. Kamusta? Long time. Harley, hello! Sing Halabra, Iloilo. Halabra, Iloilo. Halabra, Iloilo. Ilang yung alam ko. Can you say my name again? EXO Haruko. I love you. Philip, I miss you. Tubbs, thank you. Nine, I miss you, Nine. Namiss ko na mag-werewolf ulit. Mag-werewolf ulit tayo next week. Pag wala na akong masyadong events and content to do. Nakamiss ganong live. Di ba chill lang? Konti lang yung viewers, so I can be honest. Di ba? Bumalik ka, yeah, I wanted to live again. Wala lang, miss ko kayo. Tsaka, can I be honest? I feel pogy right now, so gusto ko lang mag-live. Thank you. Sigaw mo pangalan ko. Toto Dade Villegas. Did you live ba kanina? Yeah, I live kanina. Saglit lang din, like 1 hour-ish. Nag-unbox lang kami ng gifts and so bro, you're making fun of me. Saan kayo galing?
Hindi bro. Ganun ko kasi kami sa talaga ng bro. Storms ko bro. Hindi ikaw pagtatawanan namin bro. Huwag ka maganda. Excuse me.
Bro, gym tayo bro. Hanap tayo ng chick sa gym bro. Nandyan na yung condo owners, diba? Nandito na sila. Sabay sila maligo. No!
Hindi po bro. Magkaiba po kami ng schedule po.
I have dito. I have 2 showers here.
Yes po. Nauna po ako naligo bro.
Sabay silang tatlo, Sim.
Nag-skincare po ako kanina sa kusina po bro.
Sarap. Straight. I miss the time na umaabot ka pa ng 6 AM because you're drunk. You know what guys? Those days are over. Never na ako magla-live na lasing. Never na ako mag-spill ng kahit ano-ano sa live. No. Because media trained na ako. Yeah. Na-notice nyo ba walang screen recording na nagba-viral lately? Kasi nga, ang tahimik ko. Nag-share lang ako ng mga bagay-bagay related sa akin. Hindi na sa ibang tao. Diba? Tahimik ko. RJ, I miss you. Idol ko. You know what? You guys are making fun of me, pero iba na ako. Hindi na ako magsaspill. Kahit sa Higel, diba? Hindi na ako nagsaspill ng mga ginagawa nila.
Bro, wala naman kami ginagawa bro.
Okay, bro. Sabi mo yan, bro.
Sabi ko kanina, sino ko usap mo?
Baby ko. Ano baby ko? Diba guys? Nagbe-bebe time tayo. Well, I'm OG viewer. You address all those. Yeah, you were there on my first live. My first, actually guys, if you don't know, my first ever live talaga in yung Team Bardagulan World was the time where super nagalit ako sa mga basher ni Cholo. Diba? I'm such a good friend. dahil mo sa class bukas basta maka-watch ng live. O magla-live naman ako bukas. And si Hero ata magla-live bukas, diba? Or ikaw, Gel? Si Hero, bro. Hero. You were there. You know what? If you were there in that live na nagagalit ako sa mga Jejemon, that means day 1 ka. By the way, basta dalaw ka sa dreams ng cousin ko. Okay. Anymore. Walang tulugan na. No! Guys, no. Because quick light lang to, mag-edit ako in a bit. So yeah. Ipakalat niyo joke ko si Debbie. Kirby, thank you, I miss you. Di na kami naniniwala na magla-live ka bukas. Uy, ang consistent ko kaya mag-live the past week, di ba? I'm here since day 1, silent nga lang. Kenshi, I love you. Guys, wag kayo mag-silent view. I wanna get to know you guys din. Sana mapansin ako ni Dad. Hello, Jasny. Now, I haven't been called Dad in so long. Remember when everyone used to call me Dad? And now everyone calls me Wacky Boo na lang. Hey, Dad. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy na lang. Genuine question. Ganyan ka po talaga. Look at this! Genuine question po. Ganyan ka po talaga mag-talk or laging kang may sipon? Again, seriously asking po. I think it's both. Actually, kasi I have sipon naman talaga palagi. Honestly, I do. Pero that's so funny.
Yan
Thank you,
talaga,
Kenji.
Ako na mag-testify, guys. Yan talaga boses ni Wacky.
Yeah, and pero I have sipon naman talaga ngayon. Pero feel ko kahit wala akong sipon, ganito talaga yung boses ko.
And for like this month, nakailang sipon tayo, di ba?
Yeah, I was making kwento na kanina na we're all sick.
Kaya,
So you, SM the block, you were so nice when I asked for a picture. Oh, that was you. Nice to meet you. You know, guys, if you see me in public, I get so hiya. Lalo pa if hindi ako naka-ready kasi ang pangit ko minsan pag nasa labas. So, I see. Thanks for answering. Kinda cute kasi to be honest. Weh, midnight, are you making landeba to me? Are you flirting with me? Are you flirting with me, bro? Can you guys flirt with me? I miss being flirted with. Like, kunwari you saw me lang, and then kunwari we're on video call for the first time. How would you flirt with me ba? Nika, thank you. I miss your smile. You miss my smile. No, you're not pangit. You're humble. I saw you in Yes Please. Oh shit! I love your Bershka sports shirt you posted in your IG story. Bershka sports shirt. Ah, yung white with the red? Oh, that's Heroes. I wore it to school. Kay Hero yan. Let me see the jawline. Sure. I miss you guys. Nico, I miss you. Miss ka. Dalulo na kami ng cousin ko dahil sa inyo ni Sai. Feel ko dalulo ka na. Nag-add lang. Sorry guys sa ano ko sa sipon ko. Dubs, thank you. I miss you, my baby. I miss you more, my baby ko. I miss you, baby. You know, wag na. Here I am again with my thoughts. Remember before when I would live palagi and then every time I would say, you know what guys? And then people would comment, ayan na naman siya. May thoughts na naman siya. Wacky and his thoughts. Ang dami kong opinion dati, no? Feel ko nilabas ko na lahat ng mga opinion ko. Ayan na naman si, you know, wag na. You know what? I'm saying that more often. Yung sinasabi ko, like, I'm gonna control ang sinasabi ko ngayon. You're so pogy. Stop it. Oh, fuck. Thank you, Denise. I miss you, Den. Kailan balik mo? The hair and the jawline's giving. I don't know. I feel better lately, and I feel like that's why I look better too. I feel like I also mas pogi ako lately. I think it's because I'm happier, and I'm surrounded by media trained era na siya. Di ba, guys? Kasi I have a podcast na, so I'm a public figure. But gising kayo? Wala, we usually sleep naman talaga at this time. Like, 3-ish. Pero ako siguro, I'm gonna make puyat tonight kasi mag-edit pa ako. Boss, babalik si Denise. Nice. Wait, I'm gonna charge my laptop. Have you seen the head of my charger? The Type-C. Hindi na mahanap eh. Mamerge, I miss you so much. How is New York? The face card. Guys, binabola niyo ako tonight. I'm kilig. Have you seen the head of my Yeah, sorry. I look extra fresh red. Okay, I'll be honest. I look extra fresh tonight. Because I made ayos kasi nag-film kami kanina ng content. Nag-gym ka pa ba? Not as much as the past few weeks. This week, hindi pa ako naka-gym. But, I wanna go to the gym again. I'll be back on the 7th kasi may concert date kami nila RJ sa 8th. What concert are you watching ba? Are you watching Nicki? I filmed for Nor. I have another brand deal with Nor. And then I filmed for Premier Drip. I have a project with them also. But parang kagagaling mo sa itak. What's itak? Your hair looks so stable nowadays. You know why I switched hair products? You know, I just realized na oh, iyak. Totoo ba? I don't know. I feel like pag naka-live ako for a while, nag-red yung eyes ko kasi may light dito and medyo harsh. How's your Chinese New Year? Okay naman. Lasing ako nung Chinese New Year. I miss you more, Archer. Sana makita kita pagpunta ka ng Manila kasi I'll be competing for World of Dance. Damn, good luck. Sana nga. Actually, you look better sa ganyan hair. Me too. I like this hair. This is the perfect haircut for me. Hindi siya masyadong long. I love it. Matangkad po ba si Gel? Yeah, mas matangkad siya sa akin. Ata. Diba? Is Gel taller than me ba? Parang he is. Hi, Shay. Hi, Mika. Mika Robles. Wala ka nagdinagyang wagi, no, guys. I didn't go to Dinagyang. Shay, kamusta? You know Cup of Joe. I know them, but no, I'm not going to their concert. Denise, what concert are you and RJ watching? I'm watching Nicki. Gel is 5'7". Gel's not 5'7". Gel is 5'10". So I'm 5'9". Straight ka pa rin. Gagi, straight pa ako. Ano ba? I miss you, Shay. Kinikilig na din ako kasi ilang beses na ako napapansin. Papansin kasi ako. 5'7" ka talaga, guys. Stop. You know what? Gets ko talaga na gusto niyo kong ihila pababa. Pero, pero wag niyo kong idamay sa mga basta, dead mo lang ako sa basher. I'm 5'9". And if you don't believe me, whatever. You can't change people talaga na who don't wanna listen. That was a basher. Happy birthday, Andrew. Zeldric's baby brother, happy birthday sa'yo. Then thank you. Then you didn't answer. What concert are you watching ba? You're 6 flat in my dream. See, that's a good dream. Yung dream na yan, yun yung reality talaga. What happened with your live with Exclusivo? Actually, hindi pa kami naka-rescan ni Chani. Pero gusto ko yan ituloy. It's just that time kasi super something happened at that time and I couldn't go. So, ayan. Babawi talaga ako kay Chani. Rescan namin. Lino, I miss you too. Isang flying kiss niya sa akin. Sa akin din. Balik mo. See you on February 22, guys. By the way, oo nga. See you Kinsai siblings meet and greet natin on February 22. I can't wait. Di ako nakapunta sa Christmas party niyo. Kaya, I really want to, Oh, Cup of Joe, that's cool. You know, one of the singers from Cup of Joe follows me on Twitter. Follow ba ko kaya siya? Kaya bang? Gian, si Gian. Yeah, Gian follows me. Siya naman kaya jojoain ko. Joke lang. Joke lang. Gian. Gian, if you're watching. Hey, Gian. Actually, I love Cup and Joe. Cup of Joe? Are you watching Nikki? I'm watching with Nikki, but I'm not... But, I have a ticket now, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it pa. Or watch. I'm not sure. Kasi wala eh, di ako sad. Like, when I bought the ticket, I was like, wow. Gusto ko mag-relapse sa MOA Arena. Pero parang hindi ko siya na-feel. Tsaka, can I be honest, hindi ko masyadong bet yung bagong album ni Nicki. I really like her Nicole album. That's my favorite album. Hi, if you want to end up in a wheelchair, G, bakit? Why will I end up in a wheelchair? Why ba? You watch Guts nga eh. Well, that was because it's Olivia. You know, like, I love Olivia talaga. Di naman ako broken nun. Nicole pa rin, diba? That was such a good album. It was so good. I love that album. Good night, Waki. I have class pala ng 7 AM. Try ko na ulit mag-sleep. I love you, Kenji. Guys, na-miss ko yung parang gantong live because I can read everyone's comments. Lahat ng comments, I can read it. I can take my time. Na-miss ko to. Parang old days. What's the next concert you'll attend? So I have Nicki February. You know what, guys? Umaasa pa rin ako na I'm gonna watch Gracie. Like, umaasa pa rin ako na somehow I will. Somehow. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano kasi sold out worldwide, pero naniniwala ako na deserve ko, so it's gonna happen. I'm manifesting it. I'm watching Gracie, but I don't know how pa. Other than that, wala na. I wanna watch Sabrina because I'm sure babalik dito si Sabrina. Oh, I'm going to Wonderland din pala. I have a project with Wonderland, so thank you to them. I get to go for free, and my friends are coming din. Lahat kami, I think complete kami actually. Lahat ng barkada ko, pupunta kami ng Wonderland. Then, thank you, I love you so much. Gracie and Billy and Fire 8, dude. Okay, you know what? I'm so sorry with what happened to LA, but I can't wait for the concert. I can't wait to see... It's today, diba? The concert of Gracie, and... Gracie, Tate McRae, Billie Eilish, Katy Perry, Lady Gaga. So, grabe yung success ni Gracie because of that So True, no? Yeah, diba? Olivia din ba? Sports reveal. I don't play sports. I used to be, I used to play rugby. Now I just sniff it. Joke. But yeah, I used to be a varsity rugby player when I lived in Australia. Good night, Kaylee. Rugby, I have my jersey with me. Like football, like American football. Diba? Can you imagine me? Para varsity ako noon. Hanggang grade 10. Gaano ka katagal sa Australia? I was there from when I was 9 years old to 15. To 16. Yeah. Very Nick Nelson. Nick Nelson. Yeah, ba? Did you change your brow shape? You know, I just got them threaded. Guys, this is a tip for all the guys, okay? All the guys in... I'm gonna show you, actually. All the guys watching, and girls, of course. Thread your eyebrows. Grabe, pag thread yung eyebrows, iba talaga. Bakit wala akong Aussie accent? Nawala yung accent ko like, so fast. I think, after 6 months, nag-adjust na ako sa American accent ko. Actually, guys, kasi diba, I lived here naman until I was 9. Umulis ako dito when I was 9 for Australia. So, syempre at home, nag-Ilonggo kami and pag nag-English kami ng family ko, American accent pa rin kasi yun yung Pinoy na English. Pero when I'm with my friends, may Australian accent talaga ako. So nung bumalik ako dito sa Pinas, parang nag-adjust ako agad because parang sanay na ako sa American English din. Tab, birthday ni Tabs Feb 2? Tabs, happy birthday! Akala ko may... okay. No. Nothing surprising naman. Feel ko underrated lang kasi yung eyebrow threading sa mga lalaki. And like, for me kasi, like, umiiba talaga yung face ko pag naka-thread yung eyebrows. So, may plano ka pa pang bumalik sa Australia? No, ayoko na. I love the Philippines. I love it here. I love the Aussie accent, especially pag may O sa last words. Like, Nor. Okay, beauty guru. True. In my Canito era. Where about? I lived in Sydney. I lived in Carlingford and Eastwood. Will you grab opportunities if someone offered you a showbiz career? I would, 100% I would. But not now. Not now. I can't handle it. When you mature talaga, kahit ang gulo sa Pinas, ang hirap niyang iwanan, totoo. Join PBB? Well, if PBB wants to... You know what? Can I be honest? Parang I'm G to join PBB kahit ngayon because I feel like it's not a lot of effort. And I know I'm gonna be voted out because everyone's gonna hate me kasi bitch ako. I would join, honestly. Plans for Valentine's? Secret. Tapos when I go to PBB, when I win it, I'm gonna go... No, you know what? No. I was gonna say something pero baka issue ulit yan, so... You always say you're a bitch for yourself. Totoo ba? I feel like... Yeah, I don't know. Ikaw una ma-evict, totoo. I feel like it. But I would join. You know what? If the PBB house is like 1 minute walk from where I live. So I can go anytime. Kuya, if you're watching, get me. Get me. What would my tagline be kaya? What would my tagline be if I was in PBB? Not you going, diba? Di na ako mag-audition. I'm just gonna show up and be like, hey guys, I'm moving in. I'm moving in. The konyo boy ng QC. Konyo boy ng Iloilo. Ang konyo yapper ng QC. Pwede. Kapag nasa confession room, you know what, kuya, wag na. Mag-rant ako, tapos sasabihin, kuya, alam mo, wag na. Balik na ako sa kwarto. Alex Chandra, hello. Wake up. You know what? I wanna join PBB. Tapos I'll pull a Sky Keys on and be like, you know what? No, I'm not gay. I'm straight. Tapos I'll have a moment there when the whole Philippines will be like, ba't din kaya si Joaquin Q? Diba yun yung plotline ko? Alam ko na kasi. Someone said, Waki, bawal mag-vape sa bahay ni Kuya ha. You know what? Actually, I talked about it on live din dati. So, people were commenting kasi na do you wanna join PBB? Tapos sabi ko, you know what guys? Gusto ko naman mag-PBB, pero tangina, bawal kasi humipak. Will I survive ilang weeks? I feel like you're gonna cry so much here, yeah. And I'm gonna fake cry also for the drama. Tapos, gagawa ko ng love team. And then, dapat may love triangle para spicy, diba? You know what? I wanna join PBB. Feel ko it'll be a fun game to play. Feel ko. Sample ng fake cry. Okay, kunwari I lost the challenge, diba? Shit guys, sorry talaga. It's just that, ang hirap pala pag nasa loob ka, no? Like, pag nandito ka, like, namimiss mo yung family mo. Ako, like, sobrang hirapan talaga ako, guys. Kunwari okay ako, pero, ay, nang hirap. Ako yung top 1 that week. Diba? May top 1 ba? Ganun ba? Actually, honestly, I don't watch PBB. Nagiinig. Sa CR ka na lang mag-vape. sa CR ni Kuya ako humipak. May ano ba? Wala bang ano? Wala bang camera sa CR? Meron! Sayang. So imagine this is my question. Kaya hanggang CR may ano din. So, paano sila how do the people, they're there for months, diba? And there's cameras kahit sa CR. So how do they release their frustrations? Impossible yan na ilang months hindi ka mag-release ng stress. Diba? Yun din yung iniisip ko. Like, paano sa nagsasakol? Anyway. Yan lang. Yan na yung thoughts ko. Diba? Sabi ko, pero totoo, oy, guys, fair question yan. Fair yan. Kasi imagine, part yan ng human nature, guys. Normal lang yan. Paano? Like, ilang months sila, ha? Gabi yung pimple ko. Lumalaki na siya. May work pa ako bukas. Taki na. Kasi sa alam ko, guys, I don't know if alam nito, pero sa mga ibang bansa, yung PBB nila, yung Big Brother nila, nag-aano sila. Talaga. Kahit may camera, like, totoong all the way. Gawin ko kaya yan? Uy, I'm gonna join PBB and I'm gonna do that para ba-viral ako. Diba? Abangan. Abangan. Kami ni Kuya. Ka-love team ko pala sa PBB, si Kuya mismo. Diba? Para may bago. Kami pala ni Kuya. Si Kuya yung evicted. 2 points po kay Kuya. Ano ba yung reason ba't na-force evict yung ibang tao? Bakit kaya? May forced eviction ba? Like, what happened sa forced eviction? They're breaking the rules? Ganyan ba? Grabe, ang pangit ng pimple ko. Violation. Ano ba yung mga violation? Nagsasabi lang ng mga names ng apps. Dapat ano din ba dun? Orange app. Bad words! Mafa-force evict talaga ako, guys. Yeah, I would be eliminated day 1. Di ako pwede dun. Wala bang yung parang reality show na mag-aaway lang? Sali ako dyan. Toro fam. Fuck you guys. Toro fam buta. Doon na lang ako ng Toro fam. Wait, Tony Fowler. Come on, get me. Para may konyo character sila. That's nice kaya. Toro fam na lang ako. Face to face. Or mansion, gagi. First time ko nag-Chinese ko. Gawa na lang kami ni Bea ng ng Toro Fam Konyo version. Tapos mag-aaway kami in Konyo. Diba? Leslie, the new editor, shout out. Leslie, shout out. I'll see Tuwaki. Good night, Sechi. Guys, if tutulog na kayo, go ahead Kasi mag-end ako 2:45. Mag-edit pa ako. Naka-cancel sila ni Jad sa Twitter. You know what? Bea is cancelled like every day. Sunay na siya. Pero grabe no, imagine na parang never-ending lang yung issue mo. Gago kung ako si Bea, I would have killed myself by now. She's strong. Good luck for your exam tomorrow, Keisha. I love you. Mag-eviction night kayo ni Galen Hero sa bahay ni Waki. Grabe talaga, diba? Grabe si Bea. I really respect Bea kasi she doesn't let it affect her. Like, laban lang talaga siya. She's gonna work na lang. Nagagulat na lang ako, bigla ako nagiging konyo. Guys, I'm so happy. Dapat ina-influence ko kayo maging konyo. Leslie, the new editor, shout out. Pag hindi mo kaya na walang vape, mag-force evict ka lang po, di ba? I'ma just leave. Sabi ko, kuya, gusto ko talagang humipak. I'm leaving. Thank you, kuya. Naiinis sa akin mama ko pag gano'n ang arte ko na magsalita. Paano nga? I wanna hear you guys be konyo. Sana mag-guest ka din sa podcast si Kuya Gino. I would love to. Can I name? Yes, you can name your cat Wacky Bear. I love that. Send me a pic then. Feeling godlike yung iba sa ex, pero nagtitake ng opportunity na i-hate yung isang tao. Totoo. Pero I feel like din kasi, when you're at that point na ikaw na lang yung laging like, you know, ikaw yung bunot with pop culture and issues and stuff. I think that's how you know na you made it na talaga. Diba? Kasi, wala. It means that iconic ka na. Oh no. Siguro kaya hindi din affected si Bea kasi alam niya, you know, ganyan talaga pag sikat ka na. Kahit ang bait mo, people really find a reason to make away. Sabi ni Gino, hindi ka daw niya masyado kilala kaya nahiya siya mag-invite sa'yo. Yeah, that's true din. I haven't talked to Gino. Not really fully. So yeah. Wacky say Johan stop playing ML. Na-addict na kasi. Johan, stop playing ML. Addict ka na. You know Kong TV? Yeah, I know Kong TV. Ang pangit ng bibble ko! Ang pangit. Okay. Yes, guys, I can see your messages. I can see it. It was all in my head. Magkukonyo ako pag nakausap na kita in person. Sige. Guys, sa February 2, I wanna hear you guys speak konyo to me. Everything you want, everything you want. How's school, Wacky? School's doing okay. Chill pa kami kasi wala pang masyadong gawin. Like, kaka-start lang ng school namin. Then, you dropped 2K na pala. Thank you. I love you. I didn't notice. Agad masyado. Stop it. I'm a pimple. I'm so inis. Ang cute ng profile pic mo, Kay. Hero, no? Guys, okay, ito Doom, I miss you. Doom. I haven't seen you in so long. Guys, okay. I've been obsessed with Hironos lately. Cholo. I have 2 Hironos from Cholo. I love you, Cholo. Siya talaga nag-influence sa akin. And, like, what's the word in Tagalog? Tinitiis ko yung sarili ko to not buy. Because, alam ko kasi pag nag-start akong bumili, ma-addict ako. So, Kuya Joaquin, kung ang English ng inahen ay hen, pwede mo ba ako tagahin? Ina. Pwede. Halika dito. Halika dito. Sai is nominated as Male TikTok Face of the Year. I love that. Congrats, Sai, for Face of the Year. Which face? Oh shit, I should have said. Don't screen record that. I want to say that to him on live. That's such a good joke. Wait, Sai, congrats, sa nominated ka. Okay, I have to think of the punchline properly. Which face? Ah, that's such a good one. Almost 3 AM na wala na talaga tulog. No guys, mag-end ako 2:45. Kailangan ko pa mag-edit. Nag-practice pa, diba? Dapat kasi pinapractice yung ano. Humihipak na siya, guys. Pero, guys, na-notice nyo ba na hindi na ako masyadong humihipak compared to before? Hindi talaga to pwede sa PBB. Same. I am happy na makita kang laging masaya. I'm so happy lately, Shays. Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? I miss you. Lagi kasi nakalumi si Sai, kaya na-nominate siya. Ganyan talaga pag Glutalipo user ka. Ganyan talaga pag Glutalipo user ka, mananominate ka talaga. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, mag-check out na kayo bukas. February 1. February 1. Imagine if nakalumi ka na. Beauty Vault pa. Oh. Wow, napasok pa talaga. Feel ko yung ka-fresh. Sim. Basta alagang Glutalipo, guys. Feb 1, uubusin namin lahat ng tinda. Sabi nyo yan, ha? Sabi nyo yan. Pero guys, sa mga hindi pa nakatry ng Glutalipo, try nyo. Kasi honest ako, like genuine, it works. Yeah, pero yung Beauty Vault, ito yung honest opinion ko sa Beauty Vault, wag nyo talaga ibabad ng matagal muna. Kasi baka hindi pa sanay yung yung skin nyo. Pero pag parang 4-5 days na everyday kayo gumagamit ng Beauty Vault, pwede nyo na like you can make dagdag the intensity. Gets ba? Dahan-dahan lang. Kasi matapang talaga yung Beauty Vault and nakaka-dry siya if hindi pa sanay yung skin nyo. So, pakis nga, pre. Kiss mo din ako. Paupo, pre. Pati yung nagbebenta, bibilhin namin. Pwede. Alam mo, mauuto mo talaga ako kasi alam kong nagsasabi ka. Totoo, guys, if pangit yung product, I won't promote it. And genuine na masarap talaga yung Glutalipo. And it's a laxative. Actually, I can openly talk about it, diba? Kasi wala nang restriction. Kasi hindi ako nagbebenta. But how it works, basically, parang it's gonna make you shit. And then, syempre, it's gonna make your food digest faster din. Para hindi magstay yung food sa katawan nyo. And then you won't be bloated. And you will really lose weight. Bawal kasi magsabi ng weight loss and like bloating and all that shit on live selling. But I can say it now. Yun talaga yung effect ng Glutalipo. Pampatae siya. And will make you lose weight if consistent ka. Diba? Actually, in fairness, it really works. Pero I would say take a break minsan kasi baka ma-irritate yung tiyan niyo. But other than that, it works talaga. Sa'yo na lang kami magpapauto. I love you, Dad. Thank you. I miss you. Okay, hindi ko makatulog. We'll wait na lang mag-end quiz. Guys, if you need to sleep, go ahead. Actually, pampaantok live lang din to para sa inyo. Pwede ka na mag-online seller. You know what, guys? Feel ko magaling ako mag-live selling. I feel like I'm improving. Pero I'm not gonna sleep after I end the live kasi kailangan ko pa mag-edit. So, I have 3 videos to edit, guys. I can't. What if kinuha ka ng Lux? I've tried some of the Lux Slim products from Cholo. Same concept is all I'm gonna say. Alam mo yung Vitaberries? No, hindi ko alam yan. What's your... yung AI live is summer dito, eviction night with Wacky Boo and friends. What's your red flag? Ang perfect mo for me. You know what my red flag is? What would you guys say my red flag is? Gil, Hero. What's my red flag? Honest. It's okay. Pa-end naman ako. I won't vape na. What's my red flag?
Heavy sleeper.
Heavy, dude. I sleep. Grab it. And when I sleep, I'm like this. And then my eyes are half. You know what? That's so weird, guys. When I sleep, open pa rin yung eyes ko ng onte minsan. Diba? I don't know why. That's so weird. Like, as in, like, this is what I look like when I sleep. And then my eyes are open. Weird talaga. Since I was a kid, everyone says na naka-open yung eyes ko habang nakatulog. I don't know why. Kaya siguro din, minsan, ang bilis ma-red ng eyes ko. I feel like because it's dry all the time, I don't know. That means matalino ka daw if your eyes are open when you're sleeping. Totoo ba? Sabi ni Juju, baka dati kang isda. Are you grumpy ba? Am I grumpy? Would you guys say? Sorry, nagagawin time sila. I won't interrupt mo lang. Tangina, sana all. In my own home, bro. Yun yung nakakita ko araw-araw. Pagising ko, before matulog. May good night kiss pa kami. Tubs. Kahit ilang kiss pa para sa'yo. Sana wag naman yung biglang yung bulgy ankle. Sana ano lang, no? Did you watch Laura? No, I haven't watched Laura. What is it about ba? 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left to everyone watching. Thank you. Na-miss ko yung mga ganitong live. Kasi chill lang. And I can read all the comments. Aso si Tubbs ng may kiss. Pauline. Kiss mo, you know. Bakit ako lang nagkikiss? Dapat kayo rin. Yok. So cute. Hi, Agatha. Chan. Hi, Vlad. Mag-work na nga ako, Wacky. Juju, ano ba work mo? Actually, parang hindi pa tayo nag-usap about that, no? Juju, ano work mo before ka mag-leave? Wala. Mrs. I love you. Oh, alam mo, Mrs., may kwento ko sa'yo. May nag-chat sa akin. Screenshot nila yung profile ni Mrs. So sabi niya, actually, hindi pa. May nag-message sa akin, hello, idol. May poster ka ata. Nag-post ng picture ng videos mo sa TikTok. Poster siya. Sabi ko, hala, sino? Tapos sinadala yung profile ni Mrs. Tapos sabi ko, no, nag-edit lang yan. Sinad talaga nila sa akin, Mrs. Sabi ko, no, okay lang yan. Report pa sana nila. I demand a friend. Okay, sige. Wag. PM. French roll. Ewan ko sa'yo. I miss you, Jem. Pero na ako muli. Okay. Good luck, Juju, analyzing the data. I love you. Hindi pa din isa-share tayo. Lahat kayo. Wag na. Time at is 2:45. It's 2:45, guys. That means it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Say bye and kiss me goodbye. Kiss me. Kiss muna. May muha. Bye, guys. You know what? I kind of don't want to end. Let's end at 3. Final 3 tayo mag-end, okay? 3. Hala, baka Baka this is gonna be one of these lives na abot tayo ng 7. Actually, you know what? Hindi pwede kasi mag-edit ako. Ang dami kong kailangan i-edit, so hindi pwede. Okay? Sinasabi ko na sa inyo, hindi tayo magpupuyat tonight sa live because I need to edit. Okay. 3 tayo mag-end. Final. Final. Okay. Nahihinak lang talaga ng kiss. Oh, Sim. Style ko yan eh. Sa kama na siya matutulog. Oy, guys, I've been sleeping sa kama for, few weeks na. May extra mattress na kasi kami dito. So, ba't di nang charge? Bilang di nang charge yung phone ko. Ano? Di nang charge yung phone ko. Wait lang, guys. Hello? Wait. Ayan, okay na. Okay, we're back. Saan tayo? Werewolf, no guys, kailangan ko mag-edit. Would you date a girl? Of course, guys. I'm bi. Where have you been? I would. I want to. Not now, though. Kiss me or what? Or what? Tell me. Thank you, Denise, for subscribing. I love you, baby ko. Tapos kam na naman tayo sa 2:45 again. Adi, I'll add na lang. Who's your album of the year? Okay. My album of the year is The Rise and Fall of a Midwest Princess by Chappell Roan. Yun. Pumayat ka yata. Yeah, I did. Nung onte. Kiss me na kasi. Say please. Say, please kiss me, sir. I'll do anything. Feel ko dalulugan si Waki. Super. Sino ba album of the year niyo? Ako, Rise and Fall of Midwest Princess. Chappell Roan ako. I'm rooting for Chappell this Grammys. Sana ang dami niyang Grammys. Chappell, lahat. Chappell, Sabrina, Charlie, Taylor, Billie, Beyonce. Grabe. May crush ka ba now? Yeah. Pero feel ko hindi ako crush ng crush ko. Sabrina ako. Fair, valid. Hit Me Hard and Soft, valid din. Alam mo, ang daming talaga, daming good albums. Pero Taylor's not gonna win muna. Kota na siya sa awards niya. Pero it was a good album. I just don't think, feel ko hindi makakompete si Taylor sa ibang album. The other albums are just too good. I Love You, Star. Ako crush niyan. Si Chan Chan talaga crush ko. Hey Yan Yan. Oh, ito, kiss mo. Nominated din si SZA, no? Best R&B. Oh, anong pimple ko? Ako walang I Love You, Jam. Grabe, ang landi niyo tonight, ah. Kaya talaga, ang landi niyo. Dati, dad pa kayo, tas ngayon. Kayo, ah. Iyo na. Lo, ikaw nang una. Wow, ako pa sinisisip. I love you guys. I love you, Agatha. I love you so much. Dahil kasi iniiluwa ako. Sa city mismo. Safe. Never called you dad. Gusto ko yan. True. Don't call me dad na. Baby na lang. This is si Haro. Yes, Tagbak Haro. Honestly, guys, my address is online. In Iloilo. Like, my house, fun fact about my house, I think hindi ko pa siya na-share, but if you search Tew Residences, it's a pin on Google. Like, nagiging location talaga siya sa Google. So, if I'm booking a Grab or ordering food in Iloilo, I just put Tew Residences, nandun na. And like, everyone knows. So, parang my address, everyone knows where I live in Iloilo. Mas prepared ako sa Wakibu kasi ang cute. Yeah, I like Wakibu din. Confession, medyo naka-cringe ako sa dad. That's why I never called you dad. Yeah, some people find it cringy nga. Nung una sabi ko, damn, tatay na ako. Pero, ano na lang. Go with the flow lang ako, guys. Kamukha mo si Jin ng EXO Kitty. Who's Jin from EXO Kitty? Is Jin the runner, yung love interest ni Q? Si Jin ba yan? Pogi siya. Pogi, super pogi. I missed you, Kenneth. Wakibu, parang. Oh my gosh, you guys are so lande. You're making lande talaga to me, ah. Me? Joke. Nagdidagay. No, I didn't go to I had class. I wanted to go to the Nagyang, but hayaan mo na kami. Okay, fine. You can make lande. It's okay. Paano fem voice kaya na to? I don't think I have a feminine voice. No, I don't know. I tried. Sabi mo kasi lande. Totoo, I did say that kanina. I did say that to make lande to me. To test it out. Ang galing nyo, maglande. We really are family here, no? Sarap mo kasi landiin. Ang sarap ko, period. Bro. I don't know kung when kita last napanood, so busy. Kenneth, it's okay. I'm here pa rin. Okay, kiss me na. Sechi, that kiss is just for you. Madaling araw moments. Oh, Sim. I miss this, guys. Sobrang sarap. Sana matikman. Bro, what the fuck? Pero naman, if you see me, make a move. Dali kong kausap. Kami na natin sa'yo. Late night landian with Waki. Grabe, may pimples so ugly, bro. Basta ako sa baba. Okay, pwede. Isa dito, isa dito. Isa dito, isa dito. Pwede isa rin dito pag mahal ko. Okay. You know what? End na ako, guys. Gago, joke lang. Never. 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 I'm saying that now, never gonna happen. Never. Alas mahal ko. Di ba yun yung sinasabi ng mga tao? Hindi naman ako nagaganyan. Pero pag mahal ko, di ba? Kunwari pa. Barista ka lang. Mga top na kunwari ayaw mag-amin na barista sila. Pag mahal ko, alam mo naman. What do you mean never on the way na? Wala! Wag na. Tama ka ng gidyogi. Kayo talaga. Di puta. Wait lang, sipak muna. Maraming edit. No, dapat walang edit, please. Actually, paano ng edit? But wag lang yung the sexual stuff. Kasi guys, I have a dapat media trained na ako. Dapat yung mga screen recordings na nag-viral is like, kasi pogi ako, ganyan. Wag naman kasi ang kalat ko. Gigib ko lang to. Pakis kay Noah. Saan mas Noah? Ayan. Look. Ayan siya. You know, that's where Noah sleeps na palagi. Kasi, yung, tawag nito? Yung box na yun, that's where I store my blankets. And then, Noah found it. And doon na siya natutulog. He's not making tabi na sa akin. So, yeah. Ay. May pagganyan kanina. Sana all. Punta na kayo dito. Alam mo yung Marilag. Yeah, I was listening to Janela kanina. Yun yung tugtog natin kanina sa first live. Can comment na why puli. Jack, thank you, Brody. Marilag. Ganyan ba? Ang sakit sa mata. Diba? I'm always so inggit with them. Imagine guys, when I wake up in the morning, yun yung nakikita ko. Tapos ito pa, imagine. Ito pa. Narinig ko yung laughter. Like tumatawa sila sa CR. Lana Del Rey pa yung pinapatugtog. Imagine the feeling. In my home, I hear two people laughing in the CR, kinikilig, tapos yung music romantic pa. Sana all. Tapos ako nagsashower lang mag-isa. Ay, ito na lang. Tapos sila, tapos yung background music, when you know, you know. Putang ina. King ina mo naman. Not people commenting, when are they moving out? Now they're stuck with me. Actually guys, Gel here and I are moving into a new condo together. Kukuha kami ng 2 bedrooms for 1 year. And then after 1 year, pag okay na yung everything ni Bella, we're gonna move out to a 3 bedroom. So it's gonna be me, Bella, Gel, and Hero in 1 condo. Gonna be so fun. So, mag-move out kami ni Gel Hero September, pagtapos na yung contract ko dito. Gagawa kami ng Hype House Philippines. Diba? House of Collab, pero not with Judge people. That's the vibe. Our mansion, but J-Man. W Mansion. Good night, Kay. I love you. Serena. Si Elise, big winner for sure. You know what, actually guys, I feel like if my PBB house kami sa barkada ko, I feel like Elise will be the fan favorite. And I feel like siya yung mananalo. Diba? Don't you agree? Wala, parang super patok talaga yung personality ni Elise sa lahat. Feel ko siya yung mananalo. Okay, yung castmates, me, Cholo, Ellie, Gel, Hero, Bella. Sino pa pwede? Zoe. Sino pa? Melan. Kev. Arian. Diba? Feel ko, honestly, I think Cholo will be one of the first to be voted out kasi ang lutang niya. Nalapas sa challenge, wala siyang ambag. Feel ko. Miss ko siya. I miss Cholo. Kiss, baka matutulog na ako. Speak along. Ano gusto mo ang balon ko? It's 3 na. Oh. Sino big 4? Okay, here's my big 4, okay? Me, of course. Dapat kasama ko sa big 4. Me, Ellie, sa inyo, tingin nyo. Me, Ellie, Hero, and na hindi pwede na kasama si Gel and Hero sabay sa Big Four. Kasi nga drama yan. Diba? That's a plotline yan eh. Diba? Magka-love team sila kunwari sa PBB house. Tapos Final 5. Pero we have to choose sending Gel and Hero home. And they have to separate. Diba? Tapos they're gonna reunite sa finale. Gel, big winner. Ako yung vote ko, Ellie, big winner. Ellie in her Fiang era. Search mo meaning ng A Corey D-I-U. A Corey Ju. Wacky for big winner. Feel ko, pero I don't know. Feel ko magiging fan favorite din si Cholong sa Pogi siya. Search mo na? Okay. Ano yan? Nalobat yung laptop ko. Actually, naglobat siya. Like, bago lang. Wala na. What does that mean ba? Extend ulit. Okay, extend tayo. 3:10. Final. 3:10 talaga. I have to edit. Kasi kakatamad mag-edit. Wagi for big winner sa heart ko. Oo. Final. 3:10 na talaga. I gotta edit, guys. Nagagalit na yung Nor sa akin. Bigay ko, biwal ka Ilonggo ka, please, for the books. I don't know how to make biga in Ilonggo, actually. Parang I never do. How to make lende ba in Ilonggo? I don't know. Parang unnatural siya. Chan, good night. I love you. Salamat sa time. I love you, Carlos. Hulog pa kayong 5 para mag-extend. Text, extend to 8080. Is Gal from Palawan? Yes, Gal's from Palawan. From El Nido. Final 4:30 la. 3:15. Final 3:15. Last, locking it in. Final answer 3:15. Okay. Ayan, we have 10 minutes. Final 3:15 p.m. I miss you guys. Yeah, Palawenyo here. Fam niya dito is well known. Oh, someone ko. Parang nakatulog na pala siya. They're sleeping na pala. So it's time to end in kasi my friends are sleeping and I don't want to be maingay. Pero yes, Gal is from Palawan. Wacky wedding song suggestion. Wedding song, Daylight by Taylor Swift. Do you know that song, guys? Daylight. Once you visit Pampanga, ako bahala sa'yo. Damn, I miss Pampanga. Lagi ko nasa Pampanga dati kasi yung best friends ko na taga Iloilo, dun sa nag-aaral. Yung isa sa Assumption, Pampanga, and then isa sa flight school sa Pampanga. So, palagi ako sa Pampanga dati. Pero graduate na sila. ASMR ka nga? Ba't can I ASMR kaya dito? Ano kaya pwede? Ito. Hey guys, welcome to Wacky's ASMR. Can you hear me? Satisfying ba to? Ganyan ba? Feel ko kailangan gusto ng mic, diba? Kailangan ng mic, no? No, hindi rinig. Huwag na. Gawin ko kaya, I'll do an ASMR live soon. I'm interested. I'm hungry. Lahat na lang talaga papusukan ni Waki na trabaho. Oh, Sim, di ba? Dapat multi-talent tayo. Dapat versatile. Pwede mag-adjust. Wala ka nagpuli for the Nagyang. No, guys. Grabe, people keep asking, no, if I went home for the Nagyang. I'm so inggit na. I wish I went home, actually. I miss you, Founder Ralph, Team Chani. I miss you more. Versatile ka ba? Pagdating po sa skills, kaya ko mag-adjust kahit saan. Pagdating sa like, sa group project, ganun. Love ko talaga humor mo. Oh, thank you. Bago mag-end Daylight naman, actually, fine. Alexa, play Daylight by Taylor Swift. I miss you, Sheen. Shine.
Daylight by Taylor Swift from Spotify.
Ayan.
All I was as cool as the city I live in. Everything was in my mind. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you.
Ayun. There we go. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I love you, Isa. Natatawa ko sa pin. Maldita naman ni Alexa. Guys, kanina, sobrang maldita niya. Sinasabi namin ni Gail, Alexa, next song. Ayaw niya. Sabi niya, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Lo. Ignacio Taylor. Alexa, lower the volume. First reason for being cancelled, blasphemy. I love you, Kenchi. Sobrang iconic talaga yung Daylight, no? This song will always mean something to me, guys. No matter what happens, this song, dami natin memories we share together. Like yung community dito sa TikTok. I'm always gonna remember it when I listen to this song. Kayo yung iniisip ko. I love you guys. Right where you left me lang. Dun tayo. Mas makarelate ako dyan ngayon. Help, I'm still at the restaurant. Bye, Cedric. Bye, guys. Pa-end na tayo. Ano lang. 7 minutes left. I love Labyrinth. I love that song. I love you, Nurse Jam. Nurse Jam, graveyard shift ka ba? Thank you, Dan. I love you more. Always keep that smile, Wacky. I love you forever. Guys, I'm so happy. I am so happy lately. And I'm so happy na na-notice yun din na mas happy ako lately. Kasi, yeah, I am. I love you guys. And you guys are one of the reasons din ba't happy ako ngayon. Anong foundation na gamit mo? So, since I do like, I have events and photo shoots, kailangan ko ng foundation that will last for a long time para hindi ako, para fresh pero hindi haggard. Lalo pa pag like my photo shoot, ganoon, maka-content kami. I use the Dior Forever Glow. This is so good. But, since ang mahal ng Dior foundation, a good dupe is Issey & Co.'s foundation. Yung Issey foundation. Wait. Ito din. And kasi for me, gusto ko natural lang. So, I use this one. Issey & Co. My shade is NL 2.5. The best talaga. This is the best. Dior. Pero mahal siya. This is a good alternative. Issey. Ganda. I actually want to make like makeup content. Kasi I feel like medyo magaling na ako mag everyday men's makeup look kasi nasanay na ako for work. So, parang I could sometime. Pero dami kong plano. One at a time muna. Lovely, I miss you, Lovely. Long time. Hindi ko na nakikita comments mo. The Dior foundation, I think, is like 5K. No, okay naman. Or maybe 3K. Parang ganyan. Happiness looks good on you. And happiness will look good on you too, guys. Podcast muna. Actually, tuloy yung podcast, guys. Trust me. Napasaya mo ko right on iyak ako. Guys, I love you. Don't cry. I love you, Jasny. I love you guys so much. You look so healthy. Guys, come on. I love you all. I love you all so much. Thank you for noticing na how happy I am. It feels good din. And like, parang kasi, nung start ng live natin dito sa TikTok, naka-depress siya, naka-pressure, naka-overthink, anxiety ng malala. Pero, parang, after taking a step back and really focusing din sa sarili ko and like, binibigay ko na, like, time yung sarili ko din, hindi lang live palagi, hindi lang live dapat yung iniisip ko. After that, nung nag-change yung mindset ko, nagiging okay na ako. I'm happy. Mas healthy na rin yung relationship ko with social media. Kasi sa totoo lang, yung mga influencers na umiiyak, like, mga gets ko sila kasi nakaka-pressure talaga pagiging content creator. You know? And for me, feel ko, nahanap ko na yung balance sa pagiging open dito and sa pagiging closed dito. Gets? Yeah. Thank you for everyone who stayed. Guys, I mean this for everyone who stayed and supported me. Kahit hindi ako masyadong active sa pag-content compared to other people sa Team Bardagulan, salamat talaga for staying because like, nung nangyari yung, you know, yung love team, yung live, like, sobrang biglaan lang. And syempre, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-navigate. So, salamat sa pag-antay. Sa pag-love sa akin. Kahit umaasa kayo na magla-live ko, tapos hindi naman. I love you. Thank you. Your lives are so fun. Thank you. I try to make it fun. Ayoko kasi maboard kayo. Kaya ayoko rin na may dead air minsan. Magkano sila? You know what? Binili ko siya sa Orange app. 2.5. 2.5 siya. And she can control yung light. Lahat ng lights ko, kinokontrol niya. Yung music. Alarm din. Pwede ka mag-games. Worth it, guys. 2.5 lang. Waki, what's your thoughts on one jowa is longing for presence kaso di kaya ng time? I feel like pag gusto mo talaga yung tao, hahanap ka talaga ng time. Or hahanap ka talaga ng paraan para ma-feel nila na love sila kahit hindi kayo magkasama palagi. See the best of me. Alexa Ilacad. Stop. Ginawa na kitang podcast habang naglalabo. Oy, gusto ko yan. Actually, guys, gusto ko na parang nag-aaral kayo or you're doing, like, gumagawa kayo ng chores or whatever and you're just listening to me yap. Para productive rin yung pag-watch nyo sa akin. Gusto ko yan. Archer, thank you. I love you. Are we extending? No. Final na to. Marky, I miss you, by the way. I miss you. But guys, mag-e-end na po tayo kasi kailangan ko pa mag-edit. And trust me, ayoko talaga mag-edit. Ayoko. But alipin po ako ng pera. And anyway, kukuha na talaga ako ng editor. Denise, magkikita tayo, okay? I love you. I love you, everyone. Thank you to my gifters, Denise, Sai, Tintin, Nika, Juju, Archer, Danny. Thank you guys for all the gifts. I love you all so much. Kiss. Kiss muna. Final to. Last kiss, last kiss. Top Gracie song for you. Wag na. Wag na. Kasi if I keep talking about music, hindi mo ako mapatigil. Tama ba? Anyway, kiss, 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 kiss. Good night, I love you. Bye. Bye guys, good night. Ganyan ako mag-end. Guys, ayoko mag-end, honestly, but I have to work. Can you guys tell me to end, please? Please tell me to end. Tell me, Waki, magtrabaho ka na, kailangan mo ng pera, kailangan mo mag-edit, nagkakahiya sa brand. End. Please tell me to end, guys. Kailangan ko magtrabaho. Ayan. Thank you. I love you guys so much. Again, guys, magla-live kami ng mga special guests ko. February 1 for Glutalipo, 9:30 PM. Please punta kayo kahit di kayo mag-check out. Okay na ako sa pagdaan nyo lang. Pag-support nyo lang. And then, if you wanna meet me again or if you wanna hang out, I'll be in the Good Gang Thrift event ulit with my friends. February 1 to 2 din. February 2 nandun ako all day. February 1 hindi ko pa alam if makakapunta ako kasi nga may live kami. So yeah, February 1 and 2 magkita tayo guys. Ang dami kong events coming up. So I miss seeing you din. Anyway, I'm gonna end na. I love you. Bye!